morning. Welcome to my account. Let's introduce my name is Imanda Ayu Octavia from class B Economy Education at Jember University. This time I will explain a material about business etiquette in the business English course. Have listening. The word etiquette comes from the French word etiquette, which means a manner. According to the Big Indonesian Dictionary atau KBBI, etiquette is procedure or manner or custom in maintaining relationship with the others in the community environment. In the addition, etiquette also means someone's attitude, a rule such as manner that serves to regulate how human to consider it and accordance with his personality and lifestyle. Etiquette is related to the one's relationship with others, so etiquette can be called a rule of courtesy and association after leaving the society. It is relative, something which according to group of people is not polite, then is not necessarily to according to another group of people. So the etiquette depends on the custom, culture, and the habits in the area itself. Etiquette also view someone on the outside, meaning that someone can always cling to the etiquette, but it does not rule out the person has an evil nature. Etiquette, according to Dr. James G. Etiquette is to consider or to pay attention a person's behavior in making decisions relating to moral or form of human way, to determine the right and wrong with the intellect they have. Business etiquette is an inseparable part of business. Adherence to the etiquette and the law is the strong foundation because that will determine will the action how will be done in the business. Etiquette is not only about responsibility of business people, but that it relates to the matter must be the talk to be support. So it is hope healthy business situation and the condition will be benefit to the community, nation, and state. Etiquette will lead us to the continue to provide and the assessment of the behavior of the ourselves and the others, whether including a moral or not, whether we do realize it or not. The etiquette value that adhere to the directly or indirectly. Will also frame the interwoven pattern and the processor of the interaction between individual or between group. The existent business etiquette is important because some of things can for member of the global community who have developed the economy will always be very hopeful and require the presence of the high performance and in the business etiquette. To compliance ethically both the organization and its employee. 3. Uh, effort to the product, the maintenance of the business employee. 4 is the develop of the high ethical performance with the automatically project. 5. Basically, everyone wants to act consistently with the ethical norms they hold. In the word business, etiquette is needed to manage and run a business. A good etiquette and automatically business will be easier to develop. A business etiquette is applied in the company will help shape the value, norms, and behavior of the employees and leaders. The purpose of business etiquette is that the entrepreneurs encourage moral and awareness, behave politically, and provide in the limits for the entrepreneurs of the business people to run good business and not to the dirty business. This can be detrimental to many parties involved. Business people have attitude seeking to the uh, guide them in the realizing a good business image and the management. So, everyone who believes that a business has good etiquette and can be followed. Apart from here, it can also avoid bad image and the lack fraud and the dirty and the devious way. A business that have good etiquette will usually never harm other business. Do not violate applicable legal rules. Do not create an atmosphere that is not conducive for the business rival and have a valid business license. Etiquette covers business activities that range from the maintaining a balanced work life to the assessing the impact to globalization in the today business environment. Ethical rich management will keep your organization from crisis, increase financial success. Some example of the business etiquette you can do are: one is watch the name. The name is the first information we learn about someone. That's how people recognize and judge you when you first meet someone. Pay the attention to their names. If you are not sure how to say it, be sincere and ask. If it is a usually or difficult name to say, the person may be accustomed and one object. This shows that you are interested in them and care to fix them. Don't carelessly slop their names and create or a nickname. Call people what they want. Two is the get used to greet everyone. Welcoming the people you contact is not only polite but also builds relationship. You never know how you are greeting, so it's important to greet everyone with the same level of the kindness. 3. Over handshake and make eye contact. A handshake is a universal business greeting. A strong handshake is still considered a positive trait. The weak are negative. Usually, higher-ranking people will offer their hands first, but if not, you can still offer them. Make eye contact when you shake hands and smile. Those who shift their gaze are seen as lacking confidence and honestly. Or introduce others. Give a little more information than just their name. You can add the role of the desk people in your company and what they do. This gives others some background, but it is still brief. 5 is be polite and professional in all the form of the communication. It does not matter if you meet face-to-face, by phone or by email. Each interaction must be professional. When you communicate via text only, you don't have the tone of voice, facial expression, and the other nonverbal that accompany it. Remember this when writing email. Keep your message short and to the point, but don't send anything you won't say directly. 6. Always on time. Time is valuable. Do not be late. If you are running behind schedule, contact them as soon as you realize that you will not be on time. Don't show up too early too. Come between 5 and 10 minutes before your ideal appointment. 7. Table manner is important. You should also pay attention to other eating etiquettes. Many of rules that your parents apply at the dinner table still apply. Don't talk with your mouth full or open it. There are no elbows on the table. Don't blow your nose with the napkin. There is no texting or the playing with your cell phone on the desk. Eating while chatting with the business can be difficult if you choose the messy item. 8. Get rid of your phone. Are times when pulling your phone is rude. Sending text message or surfing the internet on your cell phone during a meeting is clearly impolite. Checking your Facebook feed or the Twitter notification in front of the customers reflect how bad your company is and will likely cause you to lose the customer and your job. Is it impossible to give full attention to someone when you are interrupted by your cell phone? So keep it, switch to silent or turn it off the complete. And the last, don't forget to say please and say thank you. This basic form of the politeness is the basic of the polite behavior. When you attend a basic event, never forget to say thank you. For example, thank you for coming. However, don't ever say that word excessively. By saying thank you, coworkers will see that you really need help from them. After the meeting, it's a good idea to send messages and say thank you by email. Benefit of the having business etiquette is 1. Self-control. Entrepreneur must be able to control themselves to not get anything from anyone and any form. 2. Identity development. By the understanding good etiquette, very business people, a person can step the company's identity so that it will have the significant impact on the company along with the company nature business concept so that business can run smoothly. 3. A healthy and a competition of the atmosphere. And then a common interest. With the adequate awareness in each individual, it will have an impact on business. People to pay attention to the common interest rather than individual interest. In the last of the benefit is a comfort in the business. The confidence in the doing this business can encourage business people to work more optimal. So that is give a positive impact on the business such as a reaching on time. This can also provide an important role in the achieving success in business. Therefore, it can be understood to the etiquette actually is relevant to be apply to the business. Even though the business is humble, bedding in the business involves very values such as human life and the fate of the many people involved. Even betting it's not only about short-term dimension, but also needed to take into account all the consequence and the reach for the long term at the business. That's all my explanation about business etiquette from me. Uh, Thank you for your attention. See you later. Bye bye.